Mourning doves. Look how cute they are. Those cute mourning doves. Let me see if there's another one somewhere. Yeah, there's one right there. Look at those mourning doves. Look how cute those birds are. They look so cute. They're so cute and chunky. Oh, those are the birds. That's the interesting part, the mourning doves. I think I just heard one somewhere. Not a mourning dove. Mourning dove do this sound. One sec, Leah, I'm recording. Look how cute they're, so cute. I'm recording some mourning doves.
Ryan, don't post.
I'm not gonna post you. They didn't even see you. Look at those birds. I just saw a flock. I need to move this here. I hope I don't scare away the mourning doves. Watch these mourning doves for me. I have to get a pet mourning dove one day. It's too early to get a pet mourning.